more bigger, more bigger, more size, more size, more size, you
Mm.
know, and it's harder to actually catch up with the, every year. There's always gonna be a new athletes, always gonna be new, 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 and it's just harder. And also with how expensive it is to prep for a show. It factors everything, your airfare, your hotels, your tanning, everything easy. If we're just gonna say budget, I would just say for just a budget 5 grand. It's not enough. It's not enough. You at least have between 25,000 in your bank account if you're
Hmm.
gonna compete.
Yeah.
And if your
It's
goal is to go to Olympia, you gotta have more than that.
yeah. You might as well be. You better have a lot